What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always appreciate the love and support. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. I'm telling you, dope recipes, dope videos. We get it in, freestyle cooking. Let's do it. All right? So today, y'all, I'm doing another halibut recipe. Okay? So I got me some fresh halibut, and I'm also going to do a corn puree with some pineapple salsa. That's right, y'all. We about to get it in, man. Another seafood dish. Something I was in the mood for. And you already know how I flow. If I'm in the mood for it, I gotta share it with y'all, man. You dig me? So, I've done halibut plenty of times. A lot of different ways. So this time we're doing another halibut corn. We're doing another halibut corn puree recipe. Alright? Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is I put my halibut in the fridge, let that be on chill for a minute. We're going to go ahead and get started on our corn puree. Alright, so I got me, 3 heads of corn. Dig me some fresh corn. You can also use frozen corn if you want. Okay, and basically we're just going to take the kernels off, cut them off. Like so. Boom. There we go. Once you get your kernels off the head of the corn, set that to the side. Now I got me shallot. I'm going to cut this up. Real easy puree to make, y'all. Real easy. There we go. Just roughly chop your shallots. Like so. Okay, that's it. Alright, roughly chop your shallots. Alright, so the next thing now, I'm going to break out a pot. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Let that heat up for a second. I got it on a medium heat. And we just want to get at a minute or two just to get hot. And then I want to go ahead and get my shallots in there. Alright, love shallots, y'all. And we're just going to stir these around so they start to get translucent. You don't want to burn them, okay? You want to keep it on a medium heat. And you just want to get them translucent, that's all. No time at all. Alright, and like I always say, depending on how many people you're cooking this particular recipe for, you would adjust your ingredients accordingly. You know what I'm saying? So I got 1 shallot in here, tablespoon of olive oil. Now that my shallots has gotten translucent, I want to go ahead and dump in my corn. I'm going to add about a cup of heavy cream. And I'm also going to add in a couple tablespoons of butter. Stir this in and bring this to a boil. Okay, so after I done brought it to a boil and let it flow for about 5-6 minutes, okay, I want to go ahead and turn it down. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to a medium and go ahead and let it rock out for like another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're going to turn it off and let it cool down some. Alright, once it's cooled down, you want to go ahead and break out your blender and pour your corn and heavy cream mixture into your blender. And you want to let it cool down because you really don't want it to be real hot when you're blending something, because it just starts to pop all crazy. You know what I mean? So you're trying to let it calm down, you know, cool down a little bit. All right. So we're going to go ahead and get this blended up. Boom, there we go, y'all. Now that I got it blended up to the consistency that I wanted it, I wanted mine real smooth, but you know, you could pulse it and get it to like the consistency you want. So now I got me a mesh strainer, and I'm gonna go ahead and strain my puree through. Oh yeah. All I'm gonna do is just keep pushing it through, y'all, so we get that real silky smoothness. And there we go, y'all. Got my smooth puree, corn puree, just like I like it. I'm gonna add some salt, pepper to it. Just a little bit to taste. You can taste it, just to make sure you got it right where you want it. Just a little bit. Mix that in there. And there we go, y'all. We're good to go. Got our corn puree. Set that to the side. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We're keeping this thing moving. Now, after you get done your puree, we're going to go ahead and get our pineapple salsa popping. All right. So, got my jar cleaned out. Got me some pineapple chunks here. I'm using frozen pineapple. You could use, you know, fresh pineapple. Cut it up into chunks. I just got me a bag of frozen pineapple. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my jar. Okay, next, I'm going to add some tomatoes. Go ahead and cut these in half and drop them in. Next, I'm going to chop up some shallots. Right, get those in there. Next, chop up a jalapeno. And I'm taking seeds and everything. You know, I need that kick. I need that kick in my salsa. Also, which is optional, I'm going to add 1 ghost pepper. And ghost peppers are spicy, man. If you really don't like hot, do not use the ghost pepper. But trust me, this is definitely going to take this salsa to another level. Right? Next, I want to add some fresh lemon juice. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna put. I'm going to add some lime juice, y'all. I said lemon, my bad. So we're gonna put 1 lime, y'all. 1 lime in our salsa. Next, I'm gonna add just a little bit of sugar, to balance out our spicy. Next, I'm gonna put some salt, some pepper, and also some cilantro. All right, I didn't have any fresh cilantro, but I always keep these little tubes on hand, so I'm getting some cilantro in there. All right, now we got it Back on the blender. Now I'm going to go ahead and pulse it and just chop it up to where I want it to be. Boom. And there we go, y'all. My pineapple salsa. Nice and spicy. Got the sweet in there to balance it out. Trust me. Like I said, the ghost pepper is optional. I like that kick that the ghost pepper gives to it. You will too if you could try it. If you could find some ghost peppers. But I got it right to the consistency I want. If you want it chunkier than that, maybe you just pulse it a couple of times. But this is going to go lovely with my fish. You feel me? Just told y'all, man. That's how we get it down, man. Freestyle cooking, man. And this also lasts me for days, man. And I can eat this on almost everything. You know, tacos, chicken, steak, fish. This is universal, baby. Oh, yeah. All right. Now it's time for the halibut, y'all. Because the halibut I save for last because it takes no time to make. We got our puree good. We got our salsa good. And as you can see, I got me 2 nice pieces of halibut, y'all. Look at that. I took the skin off. Oh, yeah, man. Lovely. You feel me? And these 2 pieces, I'm going to cut them in half. So I'm going to have them nice, 4 nice chunks. Oh, yeah, y'all. This is how I'm doing it today. In my pan. And I just want to go ahead and basically season these up. Salt, pepper. After I get my salt and pepper on there, I'm also going to add some garlic powder. Salt and pepper is just fine. But, you know, I like to bump my fish up, y'all. And I'm also using my seafood spice blend. You can use any kind of seafood seasoning you have. Old Bay. I got all kinds of seafood stuff. I always be buying them all the time. Different seafood seasonings. You know, just to, you know, try different flavors, different flows, you know, get some ideas. You know, it's always good to test and taste things. Alright. Here we go. And that's it, y'all. Right, y'all. Now I got my pan ready to go. Let's get this thing heated up. And you want to get your pan real hot. You want to get your pan real hot before you put your fish in, okay? And also preheat your oven to 350 because we're going to finish it off in the oven. So I'm going to put about a couple tablespoons of oil in here. I'm using some avocado oil. You know, handles the, you know, high smoke point oil. And don't worry if you see a little bit of smoke, y'all. Okay? Now, this pan that I'm using, I actually got gifted this pan. And if you watch some of my videos, you know, normally I'm using cast iron or stainless steel. But somebody had gifted me this pan set, and it's really, really, really nice. Okay, I mean, because I'm familiar with like All Clad. I know they do some non-stick stainless steel pans that's all around dope, and this is just as good. I've used this pan a couple times. It's oven safe. It can handle oven up to 500 degrees. Lovely, y'all. Been a fan ever since I got it. You know what I mean? So shout out to Flo. Appreciate it. All right, so we want to get that real hot. Okay, here we go, y'all. See a little bit of smoke coming out my pan. Y'all can see that. And I want to put it the skin side up. So the side I took the skin off of is going up first. Right? And we want to get a nice, good sear on that, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe about these pieces, as thick as they are, we're going to do about 4 minutes. Okay? 4 minutes on each side. And then we're going to finish it off in the oven, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, man. Alright, y'all. Now we're going to go ahead and make our flip. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Nice, crispy sear. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we want. Oh yeah, y'all. And then we're going to go ahead. You got your oven at 350. Throw this in the oven for another 5 minutes. Right, y'all. I did about 3 minutes. Now we're going to throw the whole thing in the oven. Let's do it. Oh yeah, there we go, y'all. Look at that. Got my fish up out the oven, looking real nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes and we're gonna get this thing plated on up, y'all. Let's do it. Here we go, time to get this plated on up. Alright, got my plate out. Got my corn puree. You know, we're going to try to hook it up a little fancy. So you want to present it to your guests or friends or family. Real nice restaurant style. You want to hook it up, alright? So I'm going to take some of my puree. Like that. Oh yeah, y'all. There we go. Alright, next I'm going to add some green beans that I hooked up. Next, I'm going to add my fish right on top. Alright, next, got me my little vegetable hash to add some color to the plate. Oh yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. And you know the thing about plating, man, you could just have fun with it, be creative, do your own thing. You know what I mean? And see what you come out with. Next, I added my salsa on top, as you can see. Right? And mind you, if you like, with me, I like a lot of the salsa. But if you're serving it for somebody else and you did the salsa like I did it, you know, just give them a little bit, like a dollop of it on top of the fish. That's really going to complement it real nice. You know what I mean? But trust me, you'll love this salsa, man. But like I said, the ghost pepper part is optional. I'm doing it spicy because that's what I'm doing right here. But you could just keep out the ghost pepper and just, you know, dollop your fish with salsa all you want. Nice. Right? Next, I done added me some New Zealand green lip mussels to the dish. And like I said, you can complement it with any kind of vegetables you want. You know, like you like to eat your fish with. You know, I had some mussels, some string beans. So, go ahead, garnish it with some scallions. Oh yeah, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. And we good. And that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Freestyle cooking with streets, man. You feel me? Got our halibut corn puree, y'all. You know what I mean? Get y'all the bonus veggies going on with it. You see the juices sliding off of it. Nice. Right? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest videos, man. Comment, let me know if you tried it, what you think, what you want me to do. Anything, man. Holla at me, man. I'm here. Let's do it, man. Freestyle cooking with streets. Holla.